This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by drawing a clear number line with 0 centered at left and evenly spaced ticks for each whole number. This gives structure. Once done, label the integers needed for the first factor and choose the step size, usually 1 unit per tick, so spacing is consistent. Make sure to decide direction. Move right for positive multipliers and left for negatives. This setup speeds the method and prevents counting errors when you begin taking repeated jumps. You now use one factor as the jump length and the other as the number of jumps. This is the core how. For example, if you multiply 4 times 3, set a 4-unit jump and make 3 jumps from 0, drawing arrows or dots at each landing. Once done, count the jumps allowed to stay accurate and mark the final point. That landing is the product. If numbers are larger, group jumps into blocks of 5 or 10 to simplify counting and reduce error. You finish by reading the final landing as the product and writing it down. This confirms the result. Once done, you can verify by reversing the process or swapping factors to check consistency. Make sure to track signs. If one factor is negative, move left. If both are negative, 2 left moves give a positive. If readings seem off, recount jumps or regroup them into larger blocks. This troubleshooting step catches miscounts quickly and keeps your answers reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.